Today I want to put something right concerning Munyongo, Mukoko, Bakoko, Anyanya. These are some of the Baganda's words against the people of Acholi. These words always talks about undermining the people of Acholi, or Northern, the Greater North. But I want to put something very right today. There's one thing which people does not know, that between Acholi and Baganda, we are brothers. We are actually brothers. But there are some Bagandas who does not even uh, give respect to Acholi, and also this vice versa. Some Acholi also as well. But majorly, this is a common practice from Baganda. You know, those words undermining the Acholi. I want to tell you people that uh, Buganda and Acholi, we are brothers actually. It is only the war in Luero which has just spoiled the relationship between Buganda and Acholi. Of which, if Buganda wants collaboration, then there must be what we call matoput in Acholi, which is a reconciliation mechanism of burying the old assets. So that one needs to be done. I want to tell people that Kabaka is an Acholi. Kabaka is an Acholi. If you didn't know, just get it from me. Kabaka of Buganda is an Acholi. If you don't know, then you know that today. Kabaka is the son of Dawoodi Ucheng, who is a grandson of Lasto Okech of Chief Acholi. Therefore, Kabaka is an Acholi. And also, we are just demanding, we are requesting Kabaka also to pay a visit in Acholi land. We are requesting Kabaka to pay a visit in Acholi land because it's our own. And also there is idea of which people always talk about here. This propaganda, or which in most cases people talk about. They say, now, you know, if you vote Bobby Wine will come and really take away our land here. This is a propaganda being engineered by the Museveni government to make the entire Chuli to ignore Bobby Wine. This is not right. Because somebody who is not in power, how can EOC really come and really get away our land? And you must know clearly this is a propaganda. They are the one who are removing our land. They are the one who are extorting our minerals, but they are using propaganda just to blackmail, the Bobby Wine. The same way they use propaganda to blackmail we Acholi people to Baganda. That's why some of the bad words, the bad words come from Buganda to undermine Acholi people. But indeed, let me tell you, we are not really enemies with Baganda. That's why our focusing is to build a Uganda which is comfortable to each and everybody, despite of many tribes we have in this country. But we want to build a comfortable Uganda. So I want to put this thing right. Kabaka is an Acholi, and he must visit Acholi. My brothers and sisters who are in Buganda, and my brothers and sisters who are in northern Uganda, please let us begin to have same view, same vision, and such that we have peace. This is some of the things I want to put it clear today. Let people know. Thank you.